Ever wondered if AI could create a drool-worthy, captivating commercial for your product or service? I gave it a try with a few AI tools, and the results were nothing short of amazing. Let me show you what a commercial looks like.
Welcome to Zilly Bites, where every bite is a burst of flavor. At Zilly Bites, we craft our burgers with love and the finest ingredients. Crisp, fresh.
Imagine doing something like this with AI. But wait, there's more. I'm about to reveal how you can create a stunning digital commercial using completely free AI tools. Plus, I'll show you a unique method to make money with this mind-blowing hack. Ready to uncover this hidden gem? Let's dive in. For the purpose of this video, we are going to make a commercial for a burger. The first step is crafting our script. A well-crafted script is like a roadmap, guiding the video's structure, pacing, and message. Creating an effective script for commercials involves having a clear objective and understanding your audience to ensure your content resonates with their needs and preferences. To make it easy, we will use ChatGPT for this. Simply head to ChatGPT, enter this prompt, and let it work its magic. Once you have your script, edit it to give it a natural and conversational tone. This will help create a personal connection and build trust and relatability with your audience. Be authentic in your delivery to truly engage them. Also ask ChatGPT to create you detailed and professional prompts to generate visual for the production. We need this prompts to generate images for the commercial. If you are enjoying this video, do well to like and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content. Next up, image generation. There are countless AI tools available to create stunning images for your content. You can choose whichever one you prefer, but in this tutorial, I'll be using Ideogram AI. I've included a link to Ideogram AI in the video description below. Simply click on it, sign up with your email, and you'll be greeted by its sleek and user-friendly interface. Ideogram AI offers a free plan that lets you generate a generous number of images daily, perfect for all your creative needs. Let's get started and bring your ideas to life with breathtaking visuals. Head over to the chat box and paste the prompts provided by ChatGPT. Choose your desired aspect ratio. Select a few of the styles from the options available and watch as the images come to life. Make sure to use 3D hyper-realistic images. They fit perfectly. Check out the stunning visuals I created with Ideogram AI. We are almost there. If you are still watching, then you are among the few person that will get to find out how to make money with this digital ads making craft, which I will disclose at the end of the video. Up next, we're going to bring these images to life and make our production visually stunning. I'll be using an amazing tool called Pika for this. To get started, sign up with your email, and once you're on the interface, simply upload the image you want to animate. Then, write a brief description of how you want the animation to look. Click this button and watch the magic happen. Occasionally, you'll get some amusing results like this one. But don't worry, just keep regenerating and nudging the Pika to create the perfect animation. If you ain't conversant with Pika, you can also use Pixverse, Kling AI, or Runway ML. Follow this same basic process for all the images you'll be using. Next, let's transform our script into a captivating voiceover with 11 Labs, a state-of-the-art text-to-speech AI that generates lifelike audio for your digital project. They have a free plan that allows you to generate 10,000 words, but you will have to subscribe to one of their plan once exhausted. I connected with them, and they've kindly offered a 10% discount for the first 10 persons to subscribe to any of their plans through me. Use the link in the video description to sign up with 11 Labs. Paste your script, select the perfect voice from their extensive voice library, and click Generate to bring your words to life.
AI Virtuo. I learnt most of this text-to-speech AI tool sounds robotic and lacks emotion. Is that true?
Not at all. I explained the step-by-step process of how to use 11 Labs in this video. Watch it, and you'll have everything sorted.
Okay, I see.
Thank you, Gujarati. Let's continue, guys. Now that we have our script, visuals, and the voice from 11 Labs, let's proceed to put it all together in Capcut. It's user-friendly and packed with all the capabilities that I need. Plus, you can use it for free. Open Capcut and click on a new project, upload the materials into Capcut, drag the voice to the timeline, listen to the voice, and mark where each line ends. This will enable you to place your visuals in the right places and also ensure synchronization with the audio. Add all the visuals and align them properly with the voice following the marking. Click on Animation, select Combo, and choose an appropriate animation to enhance engagement and keep viewers attentive. Then go to Transition and apply it to create smooth transitions between each visual. To select a suitable background sound, go to the Audio section, where you'll find many alternatives for creating a video like this. The right background sound can make all the difference. You can also discover amazing background sounds on YouTube, Audio Library, Pixabay, freesound.org, and upbeat.com. Just be sure to check the licensing terms for each piece of music before using it and follow the guidelines. Place the background music here and lower the volume so it doesn't overpower the main audio. Check the effect section and add suitable effects to the visuals based on the commercial's purpose. Take your time to edit the video carefully to achieve perfection. Now let's watch the final results.
At Best Bites, we start with 100% Angus beef, hand-selected for its rich, robust flavor and tenderness. Each patty is seasoned to perfection and grilled just the way you like it. Layered with the freshest farm-to-table vegetables, our burger boasts a crisp, juicy texture in every bite. Imagine perfectly ripe tomatoes, crunchy lettuce, and savory onions all coming together to create a flavor symphony. Top it off with a generous slice of aged cheddar or our creamy Swiss cheese, melted to gooey perfection. And let's not forget our secret sauce, a blend of tangy, sweet, and savory that ties it all together. Our brioche buns are toasted to a golden crisp, adding a delightful texture and buttery flavor. Each component is carefully assembled to ensure every bite is as satisfying as the last. Don't just take our word for it, experience it for yourself. At Best Bites, we're committed to delivering a burger that not only meets, but exceeds your craving.
How do you think it turned out? With the power of AI, we created our entire video at no cost. Now here's the exciting part. You can market your digital commercials on platforms like Upwork and Production Hub and get paid for it. It might be challenging at first, but with consistent practice, you'll achieve perfection. Remember, AI isn't here to replace you, but to make your work easier and more efficient. With a bit of creativity and effort, you can unlock incredible possibilities. Give it a try and let us know what you think. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our videos with your friends. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making magic with AI. Thanks for watching.